Hi, everybody. It's John DiPietro. I am on Elm Street in Westfield. I'm at the headquarters of Westfield Bank. I'm with Kevin O'Connor. Kevin, tell us a little bit about the bank here.
Oh, Westfield Bank has been in Westfield and Hampden County for 160 years. We're celebrating our anniversary this year. We're very excited about that, and we've maintained our community banking roots through the 160 years, and we plan to keep it that way.
Right. And community banking is so important today because you know the marketplace. You're involved in community activities. Your people live in the marketplace. They're not shipped in and out every couple of years, right?
Absolutely. Everyone's local, local decision-making, local people involved in the community. We're big community supporters from not only a financial aspect, but our people being volunteers and money organizations around town.
Right. And local and community doesn't necessarily mean small and limited because you really offer the same services as the mega banks, right?
Absolutely. We pride ourselves on making sure our products and services mirror and match what any of the biggest and best banks can do. We consider ourselves to certainly offer the best of everything, but maintain that true community bank image and size. Right, absolutely.
How about the number of branches that you have? Where are they located? You're not just here in the city of Westfield, right?
Right. We have 11 branches and a loan center. We have 4 branches here in Westfield, and we have a branch out in East Longmeadow, Tower Square in Springfield, Holyoke, West Springfield, Agawam. So we're spread around Hampden County.
Now, as far as decisions on loans and other events that take place within the banking community, local really means expedient too, right?
Absolutely. Well, local for us means this building. So, if we have people out in the branches and our loan center is working with customers, they need decisions that either happens at that location or here. No one has to go any further, and because of that, decisions can be made quickly.
Now, as far as residential loans are concerned, you're going to introduce us to a special person, right?
Very special person, our Vice President of Residential Lending, Becky Kazaka. She's been with the bank for a long time. She knows mortgages, she knows the business, and she knows how to treat customers the right way, and that's what makes Westfield Bank special.
Let's go talk to Becky. And I'm with Becky from Residential Lending. Becky, give us your full name, your title, and tell us what you do here at the bank.
Rebecca Kazaka. I'm Vice President of Residential Lending, and I oversee the entire residential operation here at the bank.
And today's really a good time to either buy a house for the first time or refinance, isn't it?
Today's probably one of the best times to buy or refinance because rates are at an all-time low. Prices are also down. So it's a good time for first-time buyers to be out there looking for that first house and getting the good rates and the lower prices.
In the lower prices. So consequently what happens is if you're able to save, say, $100 a month on a refinance, hypothetical case, of course, over 360 months, that's a considerable amount of savings, is it not?
It is. And if a buyer can come in and they financed a year ago for that property, come in and refinance now for even a point or a point and a half less, that $100 over 30 years is going to add up to quite a savings for that home buyer throughout the term of their loan.
Right. Now, because you're a local bank and the decisions are made locally, that usually would speed up the process, would it not?
Yes, it does, because we can usually process a loan in about 4 to 6 weeks, which is your normal processing time. But because we have decisions locally here, our loan officers meet with you, that process goes very smooth.
And somebody wants to come in and apply for a new loan. Do they have to come here to the main office, or do they have the capability to go to any of the branches?
They can go to any of the branches and inquire. We do take all applications through our loan center or in the branches by appointments. But one of the best ways to apply is through our internet, through the web. It accommodates everybody's busy schedule.
So internet banking as well as the capability to come in, you guys really make it easy.
We have a full service of products, so we really do make it easy. We will meet them when they need to, fit their schedule, before hours, after hours. So we're pretty accommodating with that and everyone's work schedule.
Right. And I want to thank you so much for taking time from your busy day to come talk to us about the residential lending department here at Westfield Bank.